Since 1951, Sparton has been designing, developing, testing, and producing complex maritime electronic systems that support anti-submarine warfare and undersea warfare all over the world. Sparton has been the leader in Sonobouy development and production for over 7 decades and has produced over 16 million Sonobouys. The technology developed by Sparton has been supporting the United States Navy by ensuring their success in anti-submarine warfare as well as undersea warfare. Sonobouy manufacturing involves some of the most complex design and assembly technologies available today. Sparton has developed these processes to ensure consistency, accuracy, and value added to each and every product that goes out the door. Sparton's advanced manufacturing processes adhere to the highest of standards. By maintaining the utmost level of manufacturing guidelines, Sparton has achieved and maintains the highest industrial and manufacturing certifications available. Sparton's workforce is second to none, with hundreds of years of combined experience. The employees of Sparton maintain the highest of standards. They take an enormous amount of pride in their work. It's not just a job for them. They know that every product that leaves the factory is destined to save lives and protect our freedoms.